this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset Western Alliance password. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the WA Personal or Western Alliance application, do that and simply go ahead and open it. When you open it, you're going to be taken to this screen right over here. So let's just let it load. As you can see, you're going to be taken to this screen. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Forgot Password or User ID down here. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your user ID, click on Continue, and then simply go ahead and they're going to send you a verification code to the mobile number that is linked with that user ID. When you enter the verification code, then they're gonna let you simply go ahead and create a new password, and it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.